Here's the y-axis doing, it's actually 12 cycles of 100 millimeters and back again. Not bad. So it appears to be, from the initial reading of -4 microns, it's back at -5 microns, so 1 micron difference over 12 cycles. I don't think that's too bad. Okay, I'll do one of the X now. Okay, so this is the X-axis doing exactly the same thing. I think there's 6 cycles to this, so it won't get too tedious. Not bad. Within 1 micron. Again, repeatability. It started at 7 microns and it's now finished at 6 microns. Quite pleased with that.